it's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. No suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy with my unit, but today is another unit review, y'all, and this one is gonna be super easy. I already cut the lace off, you guys, because this is not my first time wearing this unit, and when I tell you this unit is so beautiful, y'all, I did a different technique with my makeup today. Let me know if you guys notice the difference. I really love this different technique. I'm gonna do a video on it when I get it, once I get the hang of it. I'm just trying it out, and so far it's really bronzy and I like it. So anywho, enough of my makeup. This unit is from Myfirstwig, and if you guys are not familiar with Myfirstwig, it's a company that is beginner friendly. You do not have to know anything about installing a wig with Myfirstwig. You don't even have to glue your unit down, but I'm gonna glue mine down because I like it really flawless. Now excuse me. Now this is a kinky, like a yaki texture. I'll leave everything down below about this wig down below, but this is my favorite texture of hair, y'all. It looks like African American hair. Is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I did press this unit out a little bit with the hot comb and the flat irons just to save time. I washed it. It is so beautiful, y'all. So this is just very clean girl aesthetic type of look. So what I'm gonna do first, so I just did my makeup, and I'm gonna clean my forehead a little bit with some alcohol. You can use a baby wipe or some alcohol. So let's do that. Clean the forehead, and then we're gonna glue the wig on. Then we'll do a little styling. But yeah, let me clean my forehead with some alcohol in a like wipe something. Let me go get the alcohol. Okay, so we cleaned the makeup off. So you guys know I'm gonna use my secret too, okay? This is the Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive, and also the Even Wonder adhesive, and this is the black container. I mix those two together, y'all. When I tell you my install is flawless. So I am going to, I like to use this. I don't like to, I like to use it with like a comb, like the tail of the comb, because I can kind of control it more. You don't need a lot of glue. I feel like I want to take some more of the makeup off because I can fix my makeup. I just don't want makeup on top of glue, because it's just not glue mixed with makeup. Girl, that just don't be, it don't be hitting on anything. So you want to make sure you get as much makeup off as possible. Then we'll go and fix the face later. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay a thin layer. You don't need a lot, just a very thin layer right here. I just took another wig off, so it's still like got a little glue on the hairline, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna take this around here really nice. I think one layer of glue will do good for me. Some people use 4 and 5 layers of glue. I don't, because I only keep my wig on for about 3 days and then I switch it out. But honestly, with this unit, you can keep it on for way longer because it's so pretty, y'all. I love this unit when I want to like slay, y'all. So I wore this to the holiday party. I'll insert a picture of it on how it looked. Then it's so flat, it's so pretty. It looks so natural. I love that for us. Ooh, you don't want to come too, you don't want to put the glue too close in the front. So yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, but I'm gonna put this layer on, and then after this layer I'm gonna put one layer of, once I let this dry, see it's almost dry, because we want to let this dry completely, and then we're gonna spray some of the spray on it and it'll be good to go. So we're gonna let this dry. So it'll be good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and let this dry up, and then we're gonna spray this on top, and then we'll stick it down. So I believe it's nice and dry. So now what I do is I take my time. Gotta get close to the mirror. This lace is so thin. And I'll put it directly where I want it to go. So good. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Push it down. Push, push, push like a sticker. Y'all, I swear, if you use this glue technique, your wig is gonna be so flawless. So you're just gonna make sure that you push it down. Make sure I didn't pull it up too close to my hairline. Look at this. This looks so good, y'all. Because we can always, we're gonna go and melt the rest of the hair down. But y'all, look at this. This is giving scalp. And I love about Myfirstwig, you don't have to think too much of it. Now this wig does have like a strap on the back, and it kind of hooks as tight as you want it. Kind of like it has two hooks on it, and you just can hook it as tight as you want. So I do like that about the unit. So I'm gonna just push everything back and making sure that these ear tabs are placed. Now this unit, I would say, is more, the lace is really thin. So although I'm pulling on it, I'm really being careful, because you can rip your lace when it comes to this unit, because it's super, super thin. But one thing about it, this lace is gonna lay really good. Once it's good and down, like, it's gonna lay really good. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit on this part so you can get like the real detailed. So all I do is like lift the unit back a little bit, because the lace is not all the way down yet, y'all. So I kind of lift it back, and I take the tail of the comb and go underneath the lace, and then I just push it down inside of the glue like so. And this is kind of how I melt the lace down. Like, I pay very close attention to the lace, and that's why my lace be looking flawless sometimes. Girl, excuse this comb, we are very close so y'all can see everything, and it look crazy. So I'm just taking my back of my comb, and I'm just pushing everything down like so. Okay, y'all, so I pretty much got the lace nice and down. I tried to use this mousse here, this tinted mousse. I used it on this side, but I felt like it was just not working with this lace. I don't need any tint at all. Y'all, look at this. Can we get into the hairline, y'all? Why does this look like it's growing out of my scalp? Like, this looks like it's growing out of my scalp. You can style it in whatever way you want. Like, this kinky texture is always my go-to when it comes to like that natural. I like using this to do my buns. I'm gonna show you how it looks up in a ponytail. Just a little messy little ponytail. I always just take the comb and push it under in the back. Under my little stocking cap. Nobody ain't gonna see that. But look at this. Have it a little low. Y'all, this look like it's coming out of my scalp. Like, seriously. Oh my gosh, look at this. Can somebody come down here and look at this? Look at that. It's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. No baby edges needed. No baby edges needed. Oh, wait. No baby edges is needed. You can just put your wig on and you can go with the flow. Just taking my little clip. Just put your little wig on and go with the flow. Look how this look, y'all. Look how this look. And I still haven't tied it down yet with my band, but when I tie this down with my band, girl. Okay, you guys, so I'm not gonna drag out this video. I just know that I am so in love with this unit. It is so pretty, y'all. It looks like it's coming from my scalp. I still haven't tied it up yet, so I know when I tie it up it's gonna be so pretty. You can wear it in so many different ways. You can wear it with the part on the side. You can wear this in so many ways. Y'all, look at this. Look how natural that looks, like it's coming from my hair. Like, girl, you cannot tell me that this is not my hair. I can play in this unit all night. Like, seriously. Look at that. That's giving nice and classy. Love this for me. So you guys can get the same wig. I'll leave all the information down below for you guys in the description box. I'll also leave a coupon code if I have one down in the description box as well. So make sure you check out Myfirstwig and get you a nice Yaki black girl magic type of unit. Bye guys. I'll talk to you in my next video.